What if I told you that there is a project in Sarjapur that offers you only 47 home per acre, 4.5 acre of open lush green space, a lake view residency and ready to move in? Feels less like apartment and more like a resort, right? This is JRC Wildwoods. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we are here at JRC Wildwoods, a project by JRC Projects located in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the project unboxing. So right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project and just behind me is the main entrance of our project. The land parcel starts from here once you enter and the marketing office is operated from the clubhouse which is right over this side. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, about the current construction status of the project and even about the position. So stay tuned until the end. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 12.5 acre of massive land with 13 blocks. Each block of 2 basement ground plus 4 floor, offering you 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies. This project is divided into 3 phases, where phase 1 is already delivered and residencies are residing here. In phase 2, ready to move in options are available for you all, and for phase 3 which is under construction. This project offers you 78% of open space as well. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located off Dodamara Road in Gattahalli, Sarjapur, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So this is the main entrance of our project and this road will connect you towards Dodamara Road in just 200 meters. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location part. So Sarjapur Road is 1.4 kilometers away, DMart is 4.3 kilometers and Decathlon is 4.7 kilometers away from this project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. All the apartment in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures, wooden floorings in bedroom and sanitary fitting and anti-skid tiles, toughened glass railing as well, and many more. Coming to the external amenities, and this project offers you luxurious world-class amenities like of a grand clubhouse which is just behind me with 31,000 square feet. You get gymnasium, yoga and aerobic zone. You get 4.5 acre of open space to relax, badminton and tennis court. Coming to the parking provision, and this project offers you one type of car parking facility, that is the basement level. Now let's discuss about the master plan, and this is the master plan of JRC Wildwoods. As you can see in the image, the project consists of 13 premium towers, that is 13 blocks in all, including clubhouse. So here's the land parcel which is divided in 3 phases, where here's the phase 1 with 3 blocks. Phase 2 consists of 7 blocks, whereas phase 3 comes up with 2 blocks, and here is our clubhouse. Now let's discuss some of the unit plan. And this is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1936 square feet super built up area. And this is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 2100 square feet super built up area. Now about the construction status. So phase 3 is under construction. So as you can have a look in the background, almost the structure is ready, 90 to 95% work is completed, only finishing work is under progress. Now about the position part. So as mentioned, the project is divided into 3 phases. Phase 1 is already delivered and residencies are residing over here. Phase 2 is ready to move in, OC received. And for phase 3, the position will be handed over by December 2026, that is by end of this year. So everyone, this was a project unboxing of JRC Wildwoods by JRC Projects located in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. If you are looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below and download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.